Hello to all my lovely people. I hope you all doing great. And Alhamdulillah, I am also fit as fiddle. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing very well. So long time. Today we are going to discuss isn't. Yes, guys, today's topic is isn't. In this topic, we will discuss about he, she, their, it, who, that, why, this. He isn't, she isn't, there isn't, it isn't mean is not. Who isn't, that isn't. So, guys, let's get started. What are you waiting for? First and all, you need to subscribe my YouTube channel and do not forget to comment below. So, our today's first sentence is he isn't getting a haircut. He isn't going to the bank. He isn't having coffee. She isn't going to buy it. She isn't hungry. She isn't riding her bicycle. There isn't any flour. There isn't any olive oil. There isn't any ketchup. It isn't far. It isn't running. It isn't full. Who isn't here? Who isn't on board? Who isn't ready? That isn't my tennis ball. That isn't her bag. That isn't his water bottle. Why isn't it enough? Why isn't there a police officer? Why isn't he arrested? This isn't mine. This isn't yours. This isn't theirs. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and kindly support my YouTube channel, liking it. Keep share with your loved ones and do not forget to comment below. We'll see you inshallah in our next video. So, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much. Have a great day.